All right, we're back with the 915 Gym series. Just kind of teaching you guys how to use the equipment, working on any strengths, weaknesses, or any other additional work you want to do outside of the CrossFit or FemFit. And today we're with Coach John.
All right, guys, today we're going to be working on the tricep, which is the back of the arm.
Cool. All right, guys, these are the dumbbell tricep kickbacks. You're going to grab a medium lightweight dumbbell, bend over the bench, your knees on the bench, the same hand, same knee. You're going to give yourself some support, keep a nice flat back, keep the elbow tight to your body. So the elbow stays tight to your body, then winged outside here. You're going to concentrate on extension of the elbow, not really moving your shoulder up as you extend. So it's going to stay nice and tight. See how the elbow doesn't move from that position? And you're just going to kick back and press at the top of the extension to really focus on squeezing the tricep in the back. And that is a tricep dumbbell extension. All right, same with the dumbbell extension. You can also use a cable machine to do your tricep kickback extensions. So on the tricep kickback, you're just going to grab the cable, use the ball at the end. You don't need an attachment or a handle on it. Using the cable at the end, same principles apply. Just make sure you're nice and tight upper body, keeping your elbow tight to your core, to your side, extending back with the cable, and pausing at the top. And those are cable tricep extent or kickbacks. All right, guys, these are the tricep pushdowns with a rope attachment. All right, so that rope's going to go on a high cable. He's going to stand with one foot slightly in front of the other for a little bit more balance. Nice flat back. You're going to bend slightly over at the hips. Going to keep the arms as they start a little bit about parallel. And then as he presses down, he's going to externally rotate his wrist to get a really nice contraction of the triceps at the very bottom or end of the press down. Again, this is called a tricep pushdown with a rope attachment. Okay, same thing can be done with a handle, a more of a stiff handle on a tricep pushdown. Same thing, attach the equipment up to a high bar or a high cable. Same exact thing, one foot in front of the other. It doesn't really matter which foot you're in front, and just extend down, pressing down, contracting, conscious contraction at the end of the extension or the press down. Perfect. Okay, guys, these are called tricep skull crushers. We're going to use a bar, an easy bar, which is a bar that's bent. Okay, put whatever weight you need on it, and then you're going to hold the bar on just on the inside of the bend. So there's two bends, one that kind of goes this way, one that goes up. You're going to hold it on the first bend. All right. So on the first bend, John is going to make sure and keep nice straight elbows. Move the bar to his forehead and extend up. Nice straight elbows, nice and controlled, all the way up and extend up. All right, big thing we want to make sure of is that these elbows stay 90 degrees from the floor. And those are the tricep skull crushers. All right, guys, same thing for the bar skull crushers. You can also use dumbbells to change it up a little bit, a little more of a unilateral movement or one arm at a time. All right, he's just going to kind of cup the dumbbells in his palms between his pointer finger and his thumb. Move the dumbbells right close to his forehead, just outside the head, and press up. Same idea with the barbell, nice tight core, keeping the elbows 90 degrees to the ground, or the upper arms 90 degrees to the ground, and squeeze nice and controlled at the top. Perfect. All right, guys, these are the seated behind the head dumbbell extensions. Okay. You can be doing seated or you can do this standing as well, but John is going to sit at the end of the bench, bring his elbows behind his head or his hands behind his head and extend. Again, you're concentrating on squeezing, making sure there's not a lot of movement in the elbows or the upper arms, and keeping them in place rather than trying to use momentum to get them up there. All right, nice and controlled. Perfect. All right, that's it for the 915 Gym Tricep Series number 1. Just remember, we're doing them slow, controlled. We're not doing them from time, so there's no reason to go quickly through these movements. You can do them in sets, or you can do them in sets of circuits. Rep ranges usually somewhere between 6 to 15, maybe 8 to 12, whatever you're actually working on. But that's it for the tricep series.